Japanese junk. So tell us what the issue was, Mr. Steezy Man Tyler.
So after 2 ball joints, or 2 compression arms on the driver's side, and we're probably going to have to redo the driver's side. I think I just said driver's side. 2 passenger side compression arms, and we're probably going to have to pull the driver's side out. We realized that we did not have this cone, I forget the real name of it now, of course, on it. And that's our issues of why we can't tighten it, we're pretty sure.
It's causing it to spin.
Yeah, it's causing this to just free spin, and we can get it tightened almost all the way up, but it's not enough. And this right here will hopefully make the difference.
Hopefully.
Yeah, so there is hope.
Put it on there, Dale.
Damn.
Opa!
Oh, that's some pressure. That's
Jeez.
crazy. Yeah, there's the OEM. That was definitely cracked.
Oh, yeah.
Holy shit. I didn't even see that.
I was looking at that earlier. I was like, dang. All right, time for part 2.
Mm-hmm. Like everything here is like solid steel.
I'm hiding behind the wheel. I'm protecting my knees behind the wheel.
Where the fuck did the socket go?
It went flying.
Even the socket.
Right there. Is it right there?
Oh, it is.
For video streams, I hope you don't.
Oh, that one popped me in the knee.
Oh no.
That's all good. We're alive. We're alive. Oh, it left a fucking mark. That's crazy.
Jeez.
Right. So that's a compression arm mark.
Heck yeah, now you'll never forget it.
We got our cones, though. This definitely looks a little bit different.
No, I think it's fine. I say run it.
Yeah, I just got up in the bumper. Ow.
It's definitely cleaning it up.
I can see that. It's awesome. Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Reset the mileage on this thing.
Back to 0.
Back her up a little. Back her up, Terry. Back it up. Put it in reverse, Terry.
Keep going.
Yeah, turn the wheel.
Nice.
Nice.
Tight like a tiger.
Get the bolts on that boy. Return that boy. Defective.
Daniel just pushed all that grease.
Go back. Right, put your head down.
Well, kind of.
Ish. Oh, it's not through the arm.
This one?
Yeah, right there. It doesn't look like it's through.
It's-
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes. Alright, we shouldn't have to hold it.
cruising AFRs are pretty okay. But getting on it, it's like... What the fuck?
Dude, you can't park there.
You're not supposed to park there like that. Oh my gosh, what?
That's crazy.
Yeah, you're not supposed to do that.
Oh shit.
I love a good Miata. That is so wide. I don't understand how they got like that.
Yeah, dude, I don't know. See something new every day.
For real.
Alright, the wheels do appear to be straight now. Now that we got a little pressure off of her and she's on the ground. So we're gonna give her a little test drive. Oh yeah.
Tight like a tiger?
Way better.
Heck yeah.
Before I would literally go down the road and the wheel would literally shift to here while going straight. Like, but by now.
Right.
That's tight. Like,
Good. Doesn't feel as loose as it did before?
No, it's tight.
Good.
Like, basically, I was complaining about like losing the instant reaction. So like you move the wheel and the fucking car moves instantly. You know what I mean?
Right.
I could literally do this and like the car was barely shaking.
Right.
So I think we fixed it.
Sick. We're like the new Z feels good for like 200 something.
Oh, no, it's got some pep.
Right.
They're really torquey.
Right.
They're just really not fast when you get up to something that is fast.
Oh.
She's feeling good.
Heck yeah.
She back.
Back. Woo! Ready? Pull the hydro. What the hell? You're not a real car guy. Yours not
Is that
even.
Corey? He just snapped his neck.
He's like, oh. He's like, oh, they got it fixed. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Dang, this thing makes me want to get a Z.
Dude, they're fun. Oh dude, I'm so happy.